Hello, my name is Ricardo Correa. I'm from Chigro, Antioquia. Today I'm going to talk about the future of a common everyday item. The item I have chosen is the smartphone. It's something I and billions of people of every day of with every single day. I think it's one of the most important items today because it's not used for calling. It's our camera, our map, our library, and our connection to friends and family. For example, I use mine to study English, to watch tutorials, and to pay for things. In 20 years, I believe smartphones will change completely. They probably will be a flat screen we carry. Instead, I think we are going to have flexible devices or even devices projected onto glasses. The technology is going to be more integrated into our lives. For instance, instead of typing, we will control everything with our voice or even our thoughts. The battery will last for weeks and it will charge using solar power. I also think it will be made from eco-friendly, self-ripping materials. This change will happen because technology always is moving towards being more convenient, faster, and more sustainable. We want devices that understand us better and don't harm the planet. That's why I think the smartphone is going to evolve into an invisible intelligent assistant. Okay, thank you so much.